Hey guys, Annie Stacey here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be washing off 2 weeks of Chebe powder from my hair. So this is my hair and I've had Chebe powder in it for 2 weeks. So yeah, I know in the previous video I was asking you guys how long you think I'm going to keep it. I think 2 weeks was the maximum I could do because I'm not used to not washing my hair for that long. Yeah, but maybe I'm going to try next time to keep it in longer, but right now I just feel uncomfortable, so I had to wash it after 2 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and take down the braids one section at a time, and I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. So I've taken down this section and this is how my hair looks. If you notice, my hair is looking thicker and still very moisturized. Like Chebe really helps to lock in moisture in your hair. Like the application method that I used, if you missed that, you can check out my previous videos. It's amazing. Look at my hair after 2 weeks, still looking very moisturized. Like I could go on with it like that. So yeah, this is the takedown process, and I've gone again to the next section and you can still notice the thickness, and yeah, look at that length. So Chebe really helps to keep your hair stretched, helps to retain moisture and reduce excessive shedding. So Chebe has a lot of benefits. If I could do this longer, I will, because this is one of the treatments that I really like. I like the way it makes my hair feel after that. So yeah, I'm just going to continue taking down the sections and show you guys how it looks like. And if you're interested in seeing how much shedding I got after washing my hair, make sure you keep watching this video till the end, and I'm going to show you guys the shedding and just talk to you guys about my experience and what I liked or didn't like about it. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm just going to continue taking down all the sections so that you can really notice how my hair looks. Like it really weighs down my hair, giving it that thicker look. My hair is normally not thick. I have fine hair, but you can see it giving me that fullness and thickness. So yeah, so if this is your first time watching a video on my channel or you don't know what I'm talking about, so I applied Chebe powder on my hair, and Chebe powder is used by the Basara tribe in Chad. They are known to have grown their hair to waist length using Chebe powder. And Chebe powder is made with cherry seeds, lavender, resin, tree sap, cloves, and some other ingredients. So it is very rich. And yeah, so mixing that, the first application I mixed my Chebe powder with Karkar oil, which is commonly used to mix Chebe powder. So Karkar oil is a combination of sesame seed oil, honey, and animal fat. The smell isn't pleasant, but yeah, it's used by the women of Chad and Sudan to grow healthy hair and retain length. So yeah, I mixed that at first, and then the second application I did use hair pomade. That's a bit thick. You could use hair pomade or hair grease. I did use that, and yeah, the application was amazing. So if you want to try that, or if you want details, you can check all those videos on my channel, and I'm going to leave the links down below so you can go ahead and check them out. So this is my hair looking super moisturized, thick, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. So this is my hair. I've completely taken down all the braids, and this is how my hair looks. I just like the feeling of fullness in my hair. So yeah, just in case you're confused when I talk about the first application and the second application, what I mean is the first week I applied the Chebe powder, and without washing, you go ahead and reapply without washing your hair. So normally the women of Chad reapply after every 3 days, but I didn't have the time, so I reapplied after every week. And yeah, so my scalp is looking pretty clean, as you can see. Remember I said I applied Chebe on my scalp, contrary to the popular belief that Chebe is going to cause dandruff. You can see my scalp is even clean without me having washed my hair. There's no dandruff, no nothing, and I didn't experience any itchiness. Like I've said before, if you want to apply Chebe powder on your hair for the first time, you want to make sure you do a patch test. So yeah, just to make sure that it doesn't irritate your skin, because if it does irritate your skin, it's obviously going to irritate your scalp, because a lot of people complain, or not a lot, some people have complained that Chebe itches their scalp. So you want to make sure that you're safe and it's okay for you to use that on your hair. I know some people have claimed that you can use it on your hair and not your scalp. If it itches your skin, it's going to itch your scalp, because whatever you apply to your hair will definitely travel to your scalp. So if it itches you, just avoid it, but if not, you can go ahead and enjoy the benefits of using Chebe powder on your hair. So now moving on, I'm going to prepare my hair to be washed. So I'm just sectioning out my hair. I'm not going to wash my hair in one giant ball, so yeah, to avoid tangles and single strand knots and all of that messiness. So I'm just going to section my hair out into maybe 4 or 5 sections, just enough so that I can really take my time and wash my hair properly, because Chebe is in my hair and you know how tiny the particles are. So you want to make sure that you're doing the best you can to wash your hair. So you need to really take your time to wash your hair. So I'm not going to take you guys into the bathroom, but I'm just going to show you how my hair looks after washing it. And yeah, what I noticed during washing is my wash day was a bit longer than usual, because I don't normally take a long time to wash my hair, but this time took a lot, because you need to get all the powder out of your hair, even though it might not get all out. So yeah, this is how my hair looks after washing it, and my scalp is squeaky clean, as you can see. Yep, so that's how my hair looks after washing it. My hair feels soft, moisturized, and yes. Thank you guys for making it this far. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel below. And just before we go, this is all the shedding I got after washing my hair. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.